Okay, let's take a live look outside. We've been looking at the snow. It looks like, spring's kind of coming. It even feels like it when you look at the mountains. There's less and less snow. But Snoqualmie's still looking pretty nice out there. Is it going to be a ski weekend, Mike?
Oh, yeah. We're tracking some changes. We've had a false spring. We've had about 5 weeks now where high pressure's been dominating here. But take a look at this. I was showing you Everett earlier. Let me show you Hurricane Ridge. This is a buttermilk sky. These are cirrocumulus clouds. Filtered sunshine there, but if you look at an old farmer's almanac, this is usually a sure sign that you're about to see some changes moving in, and you can see that right now using technology as well. The GOES 17 satellite showing that ridge of high pressure finally shutting down and allowing some wintry weather, including some moisture, to head in our direction. In fact, you can see a lot of that cloud cover pretty much already covering the entire state. Here's what to expect tonight. Sun breaks out there right now. In fact, it should be a fairly pleasant sunset tonight. Dry, mild evening. Rain will be pushing in after midnight tonight. New mountain snow, yeah, a lot of it. And we could be looking at some convergence zones setting up that could bring some heavy snow on Saturday. We've got some watches and warnings in place. I'll show you in a moment. And then behind that, yeah, it's a cold front. Cold air is going to fill in behind that and more wintry weather ahead. In fact, it looks like in the long term, we could be seeing more snow and rain next weekend. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. What we got going on right now is as that frontal boundary passes through tomorrow, winds are going to pick up from the southwest, then switch around towards the west and eventually the northwest after it passes. But this pretty much all of our waterways kicks in midday Saturday, and then depending on where you are, will expire at some point on Sunday. Winter storm watch has already been upgraded. I need to upgrade that. The red there, that's a winter storm warning. We've got watches towards the north and south there, but the central portion of the Cascades looks like it's going to get some pretty decent snow. Let's take a look here. As we dig in overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, you start to see some of that snow setting up. Just a weak convergence zone just north of Everett and some showers firing up over Vancouver Island. And then as we go through the day on Saturday, heavy snow is going to pick up. And you see some of those yellows there just towards the north of Everett. That's where we're going to be seeing some convergence zones setting up and then shifting farther south, almost parallel with Seattle. So it looks like Stevens Pass and the Mountain Loop Highway could be seeing periods of heavy snow as we go into Saturday evening. This is 9:30. You bet there's going to be watches and warnings in place throughout the weekend. And if you are planning on heading up, chains and all of your A game there, because again, this could be almost blizzardish up there. That all starts to shift down towards the south as we go into Sunday at 9 a.m. We're going to see some light snow continue to fall up towards the North Cascades and some showers that will continue in the lower elevations. Sunday at 9 p.m., another convergence zone tries to set up there from Port Angeles all the way through Seattle and continues to push periods of heavy snow between Stevens and Snoqualmie. Monday, 3 o'clock in the morning, is still going to do that. This is going to be our best chance to see some accumulating rain and some snowflakes. I don't expect any accumulating snow in the lower elevations, but it's entirely possible you could see some flakes flying outside of your place early on Monday morning. Take a look at rain potential. There's going to be a pretty heavy-duty rain shadow that'll set up behind the Olympics there. So not looking for a lot in the way of accumulation, but as soon as you head up into the mountains, that whole story changes. Forecasted winds are going to get gusty tomorrow. Take a look at this coming in from the southwest. Sustained in the mid to upper 20s there. That'll calm down on Sunday. And then the big story. Sunday morning, we're going to be seeing close to 3 feet of accumulation at Stevens Pass, closing in on that by the time we get to Monday. And remember, it's a holiday weekend. There's going to be a lot of folks heading up there. Snow levels drop down to about 400 or 500 feet on Tuesday, but at that point, we're pretty much done with the moisture. So not expecting any accumulating snow in the lower elevations, but it's going to be wintry. Check this out. Overnight temperatures in the 20s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.